Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you.
That's where we're gonna put her food. Is in there.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Right now.
That's right. Just be nice and calm and pet her and let her get used to you. She knows Mommy already a little bit. She already knows Mommy.
Yeah. What about me?
That's why you got to get to know her. And let her know that you're nice to her.
I'm nice.
Let the kitties on the prowl.
What are you doing, huh? I don't think a cat would do anything to her.
I doubt it.
My new pet too.
Yeah.
Hey, where do you go?
Where you go?
Okay.
Watch her because she's being a little bit hunty.
I could get a Maggie.